So what happens, they go to customer care window. Like sasa vile huyu ameenda. So amejielezea, ameambiwa allow entry to contact 16.
Hiyo ndio emergency.
Exactly. So
Why is it booked there?
The 29, this is not for 29. So on 20,
It was an emergency on 23rd. Leo ni 31st.
so you entered.
Still an emergency.
So you went to counter 16 and 23rd, right? And then again you went to counter 16, the same counter on 29, right? And therefore what is the status as today?
So question is, question. Director. This Mwananchi, this young man here, and customer care. Is the problem that you have too many people with emergencies? Because what you could do is even to be open with Mwananchi and say, except emergency, or the other passport weeks. If I'm looking for a passport and I'm not sick, I'm not traveling, if I'm explained to by government, I will understand that we are trying to correct the problem, but I cannot come here to compete with another Kenyan who has an ailment and need to be treated. So why are we having an emergency on 29, an emergency on 29? Today is still that the first and the applicant is still out there.
Do you have supporting documents when you came?
Unaenda wapi? That Institute of Technology. We're going to India. Look. 8th of August.
We'll find out, sir.
So this Kenyan now will use the opportunity. Last monthly admission, 4 years of BSc nursing. And blah blah blah. We are supposed to report much later than 800. It's later than 800. So what investigation?
Did you have all your documents in place? You've done fingerprints. Where's the yeah, the tracking? And you have the invoice? Excuse me, please.
Twende na huyu.
Roger. Rubani.
But now,
Sorry. Hello, sir.
This doesn't look system. We must minimize the people who spend the day here and get disappointed. He must be very good. This doesn't look like food. So maybe tell me how about it. Next time when I come, I should